Hey there. Ever find it tough to climb those stairs or keep up with your grandkids at the park? You're not alone. Your legs might just need a little TLC. As we age, our legs can start to feel weaker, making it harder to enjoy the things we love, like gardening, golf, or even just a stroll around the block. That worry about losing your independence, it's real, but here's the good news: you can do something about it, starting today. My mom, Susan, who's 68, struggled with leg cramps at night that kept her up for hours. She felt frustrated, thinking her active days were slipping away. But these three simple drinks turned things around for her, and I know they can for you too. I'm thrilled to share these recipes, nothing fancy, just ingredients you can find at Walmart, Costco, or maybe even in your pantry right now. They'll help strengthen your legs, ease those annoying cramps, and keep you moving with confidence. Stick with me to the end, because the third drink is a crowd favorite. Trust me, you'll want to try it. Oh, and while we're here, drop a quick comment below. What's one thing you love doing that your legs need to keep up with? Maybe it's dancing, chasing your grandkids, or tending your rose garden. I'd love to hear. Let's get started. So, why do our legs start to feel weaker as we get older? It's not just about age. Over time, our muscles naturally lose strength, a condition called sarcopenia. Plus, poor circulation and missing out on key nutrients like potassium, magnesium, or protein can lead to cramps, achy joints, or that heavy leg feeling. Good circulation is key for strong legs, as it delivers oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. When you're low on potassium or magnesium, your muscles can't contract properly, leading to those pesky cramps that wake you up at night or slow you down during a walk. In fact, a 2023 study from the Journal of Gerontology found that 1 in 3 seniors over 60 experiences leg weakness, which can make everyday tasks like grocery shopping or getting out of the car a real challenge. But here's the thing: keeping your legs strong isn't just about comfort, it's about staying independent. Whether it's driving to visit friends, tending to your garden, or hitting the pickleball court, strong legs help you avoid falls and keep living life on your terms. The good news: proper nutrition can slow down that muscle loss and give your legs the boost they need. These 3 drinks I'm about to share aren't magic pills, but they're packed with the nutrients your legs are craving. Let's dive into the first one. All right, let's kick things off with our first drink, golden turmeric milk. Imagine sipping the warm, cozy drink at the end of the day, feeling the tension in your legs just melt away. That's the magic of turmeric milk. This isn't just a tasty beverage, it's a powerhouse for your legs, packed with curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. A 2022 study in arthritis research found that curcumin reduced knee pain by 25% in seniors after just 8 weeks. It also boosts circulation and helps your muscles relax, making it perfect for unwinding and even sleeping better. My Uncle Joe, 67, loves his weekly golf games but was struggling with stiff knees that made walking the course tough. He started drinking turmeric milk 3 nights a week, and after a month, he told me he's swinging his clubs with less pain and even walks the course now instead of using a cart. It's amazing how small changes add up. Here's how to whip it up. Grab 1 cup of milk, regular or almond milk. Whatever you find at Target works great. Warm it up in a small pot, then stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper to help your body absorb the curcumin, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon for a little extra flavor and anti-inflammatory boost. If you like it sweet, add a drizzle of honey. Stir it gently, pour it into your favorite mug, and sip slowly. It's like a warm hug in a mug, perfect for cozy evenings watching Netflix. A quick tip: you can make a bigger batch and store it in the fridge for up to 3 days. Just reheat gently. Try drinking this 4 or 5 times a week and give it a couple of weeks to really feel the difference. My neighbor, Tom, who's 72, swears his knees feel looser after a month. Ready to give it a go? Make a cup of turmeric milk tonight and let me know how it feels in the comments below. Next up, We've got another drink that's like a supercharged version of Grandma's soup. Stay tuned. Now, let's talk about our second drink, bone broth. This isn't just any soup, it's like Grandma's chicken soup on steroids, packed with nutrients to keep your legs strong and moving. Bone broth is loaded with collagen, peptides, and amino acids that support your muscles, joints, and connective tissues. A 2024 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that collagen supplements improve joint mobility in seniors by 20%, and bone broth is a natural way to get those same benefits. It's perfect for staying active, whether you're hitting the pickleball court or just walking your dog. My friend Linda, 70, used to feel her joints creak during her morning walks with her golden retriever, Max. After adding bone broth to her routine, she says she's moving more smoothly and even added an extra loop around the park. Making it at home is easier than you think, especially if you've got an instant pot. Take some chicken or beef bones. You can grab these at Kroger or your local farmer's market. A quick tip, go for bones with some marrow for richer flavor. Your butcher can hook you up. Toss them into your pot with enough water to cover. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to pull out those nutrients, and let it simmer for 4 to 6 hours in the Instant Pot, or 12 to 24 hours if you're using a regular pot. For extra zest, try adding a bay leaf or a sprig of rosemary. Strain it, then season with a pinch of salt, pepper, or some fresh thyme or parsley for extra flavor. It's rich, savory, and so comforting. If you're making a big batch, freeze leftovers in ice cube trays for easy portions. Just pop a cube into your mug and microwave it. Sip a cup each morning or before dinner to give your legs a steady supply of those building blocks. If you're short on time, no worries. Brands like Kettle and Fire have great pre-made bone broth at most grocery stores. Who's ready to make a batch this weekend? Drop a comment with your favorite way to season bone broth or any tweaks you love. We've got one more drink coming up, and it's a game changer for leg cramps. Don't go anywhere. Here we are at drink number 3, the banana almond smoothie. This one's a crowd pleaser, simple, delicious, and a real powerhouse for keeping your leg muscles strong. You've probably heard that bananas help with cramps, and it's true. They're packed with potassium, which keeps your muscles contracting smoothly and can stop those painful nighttime leg cramps. Pair that with almonds, which are loaded with magnesium, healthy fats, and plant-based protein, and you've got a winning combo. A 23 study in nutrients found that getting enough potassium and magnesium cut leg cramps in seniors by 30%. This smoothie also gives you steady energy for walking, gardening, or hitting the grocery store. My cousin, Ellen, 65, loves her morning strolls but used to get leg cramps that slowed her down. She started drinking this smoothie before her walks, and now she's cruising through her neighborhood with fewer cramps and more pep in her step. Ready to blend it up. Grab one ripe banana, 1 cup of almond breeze almond milk. You'll find it at any Walmart, and a tablespoon of almond butter for an extra nutrient boost. Add a splash of vanilla extract for that milkshake-like vibe. Toss it all in a blender. Whiz it up until it's smooth and creamy, and pour it into a glass. It tastes like a dessert but fuels your legs like a champ. For a twist, toss in a handful of spinach for extra vitamins. It won't change the taste much. If you're allergic to nuts, swap the almond butter for peanut butter or skip it entirely. Drink this for breakfast or after a light walk to keep your legs energized. A pro tip: blend a double batch and store it in a mason jar in the fridge for up to 2 days. Just give it a shake before drinking. Want to try it? Blend this smoothie tomorrow and tag us on Instagram with strong legs after 60. We're almost done, but stick around for some quick tips to make these drinks work even better for you. Before you start sipping these drinks, let's talk about a few quick tips to keep things safe and make them work best for you. We get a lot of questions like, what if I'm lactose intolerant? Great news for turmeric milk or the smoothie. Use plant-based milk like almond, oat, or coconut. They work just as well. If bone broth isn't your thing, try a veggie-based broth with added collagen powder for similar benefits. First, with turmeric milk, It's awesome for reducing inflammation. But if you're on blood thinners or have gallbladder issues, check with your doctor first. Start with a small amount to see how your body likes it. For bone broth, it's nutrient-packed, but it can be high in sodium. If you're watching your blood pressure or have kidney concerns, go for a low-sodium version or make your own without added salt. And the banana almond smoothie. It's full of natural sugars, so if you have diabetes, enjoy it in moderation and pair it with some protein to keep your blood sugar steady. If nuts are a no-go, try coconut milk or peanut butter instead. Always listen to your body and talk to your doctor before making big diet changes, especially if you're on medications. These drinks are like the daily boost for your legs, but they work best with a balanced lifestyle. Try adding a 15-minute walk, some gentle yoga, or aiming for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. For example, a short chair yoga session can loosen up your hips and knees, making these drinks even more effective. Think of these drinks as your legs' multivitamin. Pair them with a little movement, and you're golden. Up next, we've got some fun ways to put this all into action and keep your legs strong for the long haul. All right, it's time to put these drinks into action and keep those legs strong. I'm so excited to invite you to our Strong Legs After 60 challenge. Here's how it works. Pick one of these drinks, turmeric milk, bone broth, or the banana almond smoothie, and try it for 7 days. Keep a journal of how your legs feel each day. Maybe you'll notice you're walking farther, sleeping better, or climbing stairs with less effort. Share your progress in the comments or post a quick pic on Instagram with the hashtag StrongLegsAfter60. We'll give a shout out to our favorite stories next week. Not on social media. No problem, just comment below and we'll cheer you on. Let's build a community of strong, active seniors together. If you found this video helpful, give it a quick like, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell so you don't miss our next tips. Oh, and follow us on Instagram for daily recipes and motivation to stay active. Speaking of what's next, join us next week for a video on 5 simple moves to stop nighttime leg cramps. You won't want to miss these game-changing tips. Your golden years are all about living life to the fullest, hiking with friends, baking cookies with your grandkids, or just feeling great every day. These drinks are your secret weapon to keep your legs strong and ready for anything. Here at your channel's name, we're all about simple, science-backed ways to help you stay active and independent. Let me share one last story. My friend Carol, 69, thought her dancing days were over because of leg pain. After trying these drinks and adding a short daily walk, she's back on the dance floor at her community center, twirling like she's 50 again. That's what this is all about. Stay strong, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.